In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download photos from Google Photos on phone. If you have pictures stored in Google Photos and you want to save one directly to your device, the process is very simple. This is useful if you want offline access to an image, want to share it through another app, or just want to make sure that specific photo is stored locally on your phone. First, open the Google Photos app on your device. Make sure you're in the correct Google account if you use more than one, since the photo you want to download needs to be in the account you're currently viewing. Once the app is open, you'll see your photo library and recent images. Next, find and select the image you want to download. You can scroll through your library, open an album, or use search if that helps you find the photo faster. Tap on the photo so it opens in full screen. This gives you access to the image options and makes it easier to manage that specific file. After the image is open, look for the three-dot menu, which is usually found near the top of the screen. Tap that to open more options for the photo. In this menu, you should see the option to download the image to your phone. Tap download, and Google Photos will save that photo to your device's local storage. If you don't see the download option, don't worry. In most cases, that simply means the photo is already saved on your phone. Google Photos only shows the download option when the file exists in the cloud, but has not yet been stored locally on the device. So if the option is missing, that's often a good sign that the image is already available offline. One helpful tip is to check your phone's gallery or Photos app after downloading, especially if you want to confirm that the image has been saved successfully. Depending on your phone model, the photo may appear in your main camera roll or in a folder connected to Google Photos. And that's all it takes. Open Google Photos, choose the image you want, tap the three dots, and select download if the option appears. It's a quick and easy way to save your pictures from Google Photos onto your phone whenever you need them.